Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the define scope process. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam or PMP in near future. So let's start friend. First of all, I request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, the define scope process selects the final project requirements from the requirement documentation delivered during the collect requirement process. Hence, the project manager can develop a detailed description of the project and product, which is called the project scope statement. Define a scope is a process of developing a detailed description of the project and product. The key benefit of the defined scope process is that it describes the project boundaries by defining which of the requirements collected will be included in the project. Now, if we talk about the input for this process are project charter. The project charter is basically a document that provides the high level project description and product characteristics. It also enlists all the project approval requirements. If a project charter is not being used to its fullest in any organization, then comparable information needs to be developed and used as a basis for the detailed project scope statement. In situation where the organization do not produce a formal project charter for setting out common goals, rules and regulations, they will usually perform an informal analysis to identify the content necessary for further scope planning. Project management plan. Both project management and scope management plans have the same characteristics, but whereas the project management plan documents how the project scope will be defined, validated and controlled. Project document is also a very important input for this process. Then enterprise environmental factor. Basically the factors which can influence the define scope process includes like organizational culture, infrastructure, personal administration and marketplace condition. Our organizational process assets includes like the policies, procedures and templates, project files from previous projects and lesson learned from previous phases and projects. The tools which we use for this process include the expert judgment. Expert judgment is basically with regards to the technique of expert judgment. One has always to consult a group or an individual who has exceptional knowledge in dealing with similar projects. Data analysis. The best example of a data analysis technique that can be used in this process is alternative analysis. This alternative analysis helps in evaluating ways to meet the requirements and objectives that are identified in the project charter. Decision making. Multi-criteria decision analysis is the best example of this particular process. Under this technique, a decision matrix is used to provide a systematic analytical approach for establishing necessities like requirements, schedules, budgets, and resources to clarify the project and product scope further. Interpersonal team skills. An example of interpersonal team skills is the facilitation process. This process is mainly used in workshops and sessions happening with key stakeholders who are always high on expectations. Okay, then the another is the very important product analysis. Product analysis is used to define the products and services related to a particular project. The process includes asking questions about a product or service and generating answers to describe the use characteristics and other relevant aspects of what is going out to be delivered. The output of this process is the project scope statement. Project scope statement is a detailed description of the project scope which includes significant deliverables, assumptions and constraints. It also documents the project scope and the product scope and describes the project deliverables and the work required to deliver them. Based on the level and degree of detail, the project scope statement defines the work that will be performed, and the work that is minimized can help determine how well the project management team can control the overall project scope. Last one is the project document updates. Like that means the after completing the process, the output is that the all relevant project documents will be updated. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.